Hello and welcome back to my channel. So last time you saw me, I had a really big belly in front of me and I was packing my hospital bags and I was so impatient waiting for this little man's arrival. And finally he is here. This is Lawson Cole Fisher and he was born July 25th, 2018 at 11:31 p.m. He just ate and got changed, so now he's like in a milk coma and he's out. I went 10 days past my due date and I had to be induced. And then after that, my labor was 37 hours long and I had to push for 3 hours. He's so worth it. He's finally here. Me and his dad could not be happier. He's perfect. I'm sorry that it has taken me so long to finally get this video out. I have been trying to adjust to our new lives and the crazy sleep schedule that, I'm really not getting much sleep at all. But yeah, I am really excited to share with you his nursery. I had planned this. I worked so hard on it. I did a lot of DIY projects, which I love doing. It made it more fun and more personal. Of course, Pinterest is where I got all my inspiration from, so I just screenshotted everything that I liked that kind of followed the same theme, and I just made a dream board of it on my phone and made it all come true. I made it all come to life as best that I could, and I am in love with his room. This is the best room in the house, and I really hope that you like it. I do believe that it is a gender neutral nursery. It is not too boyish, it's not too girlish, so there are some things in here that you could tweak easily to make it a little more feminine if you wanted to, but I wanted to go for the jungle safari theme. I wanted it to be warm and cozy, and I wanted to include a lot of greenery and olive green. I'm obsessed with olive green, so I added a bunch of that. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Lawson is so excited for you to see his room. Please make sure that you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you get notified when I upload so you don't miss anything. He has a lot of dreams and he'll make the funniest faces. Say, I hope you enjoy my tour. I hope you like my room. Say hi. I hope you like my room. I really hope that you like his room. Enjoy watching. Okay, so the door leading into his nursery. So when you first walk in, you see the baby crib. I will leave the link to this baby crib below. I ordered it from Amazon. I originally had a different one from Target. Had it for a few months. Oh, there's Callie. And decided that I hated it. The color just didn't go with anything else in here, so I decided to return it and got this one instead. I like the standard crib look, and it has really pretty raw wood feet. I love that. The crib skirt is from Pottery Barn. The crib sheets are from Pottery Barn as well. And then he has cute little stuffed animals right there. And that olive green and tan quilt blanket was made by my lovely cousin. And then I actually had this zebra painting in my room for many years, and so I held on to it, and now it is in here for him because his room is a safari theme. Before I show you the rest of the room, I got this shoe organizer from Walmart and just put a bunch of like extra stuff that I couldn't really fit in the drawers, so I put it in here. So like all of the essentials, a lot of free things that I got in gift bags. Then Austin and I made this measurement sign for him, so that way every few months we can have him stand against it and then write in with a Sharpie or like a pencil how tall he is. I'm so excited for that part. These really nice silky curtains are from Wayfair. I will leave them linked for you in case you want them, but I wanted curtains that go all the way from the ceiling all the way down to the floor. So that's what we have going on here, and Austin made those curtain holder thingies right there. In the closet, I just have some stocked up diapers and then a laundry basket full of clothes that he cannot wear until he's 6 months. More diapers and wipes over here. His bathtub there We don't need it out yet. This is the base and the mirror for Austin's truck. He has not put that in yet. Then beside the closet, we have the diaper genie. And then we have his dresser. And in his drawers, I have organized all of his clothes. My mom actually organized the clothes. I did not. But we have them going by newborn, 0 to 3 months. I had a lot of clothes given to me, thankfully, so we didn't have to buy like a whole bunch, but we still did. So then I have these bibs, muslin blankets, a car seat, infant thingy. Here we have these adorable little glasses. My mom got these for him, and I cannot wait until he can wear those. Oh, they're so cute. And so a bunch of socks, shoes, little feet rattles. Okay, so then on top of the dresser, we have my favorite part of the entire room. Oh, I have a trash can over there for pee diapers, and those are for poopy diapers. But I love this wall. So Austin and I made the Lawson Cole sign, and I am obsessed with it, and it adds so much character to the room. This I got from Amazon. I thought it went really well with the wall. I love the leaves on it. And this is his changing pad. Right next to it, I have some lotion, some sunscreen. I have bath wash, hand sanitizer so we don't have to wash our hands like after every pee diaper, wipes. And then this is here because I want to remember to do it right away so he doesn't get too big. But that's not going to be there forever. And then this basket that's hanging on the wall, very carefully, I just have newborn diapers. That kind of makes it look messy, but oh well. Then over here we have this really cute lamp from Target. It's brass. You can see the lighting is so strange in here. And then I got these safari animal pictures right there. Those are from Etsy. You download the print and then you get them printed, and I put them in their frames. The frames are from AC Moore. They were black and I spray painted them white. Another favorite part of the room is this laundry basket. It's a wicker basket. It's an elephant. I love it so much. I made that plant stand and I bought the plant pot from TJ Maxx. I wanted to add some color in here, so it's a pretty yellow. And then that is a real plant that I got from Home Depot. This, I call it the safari butt hook sign. So I found this idea on Pinterest and my best friend made it for me. She made these vinyl stickers and put them on here. Austin put the hooks in, and so now we can just hang his bath towels and this cute fedora hat that he's gonna wear to the pool that my mom got for him. And I picked this up at TJ Maxx. It is a little bathrobe, and it's a fox, and it's so cute. So I have all that just hanging right here. And then down below, we have a really cute toy box. So this came from Amazon as well, and I just have a bunch of toys in here that he will not be able to use for a while, but eventually. Then right over here, we have his bookshelf. So this looks kind of messy, and I kind of hate the messy look to it, but I mean, it's okay. It's his room. So he has a bunch of books, a lot that we purchased, and then a lot that were given to us. And then a nice little succulent plant, also real, that I always forget to water. And then this was a present for us as well to keep track of how many days he is. Once we take our pictures, I will put a picture of all three of us in there. But right now, the elephant guy is just hanging out. And then again, another window and curtains. This rocker chair, I do not know where it's from. It was given to us. We were very fortunate to have that gifted to us, so we didn't have to buy one. And then the rug is from Overstock, I think. My mom bought him the rug. Hey, Callie. But it is really, it's as soft as it looks. So then this is the one thing that I didn't go through yet, and that is a little white bureau closet. And I have all of his clothes hanging up right here, and then a bunch of things that he's not going to be able to use, you know, anytime soon, so it's just stored away for now. But I can also keep some of his really nice clothes, you know, hung up. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed his room. I really hope that this gave you some inspiration and good ideas. Leave a fun comment below and let me know what theme your nursery is, what theme that you're planning on doing if you have a baby on the way. Let me know if you're having a boy or a girl. I would love to have a little conversation with all of you guys if we relate in this way at all. Make sure you thumbs it up for Lawson. Give him a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video.